Hey guys, so let's talk about telling time. Now, unfortunately, this thing is becoming a relic, a thing of the past. But I don't think that it should be that way. I think that you need to be able to tell time. That you need to be able to tell time on one of these. Telling time is as simple as counting by fives. So, to begin with, let's count by fives. So, 5 times 1 is 5. Let's write it like this. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. And 5 times 12 is 60. Now, this isn't really the best example, but what does this look like in terms of telling time? This looks like a clock. And as you can tell, at the top is 12. And at the top of our clock is 5 times 12. So, what this means is, as you can see, right here we've got a 1. 5 times 1 is 5. We've got a 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. And 5 times 12 is 60. And 60 minutes make an hour. So this long hand, this blue hand right here, is going to tell you how many minutes you have. So if I put this blue hand on the 1, I have 5 minutes. If I put this blue hand on the 2, I have 10 minutes. 3 is 15 minutes. 4 is 20 minutes. 5 is 25. 6 is 30. 7 is 35. 8 is 40. 9 is 45, 10 is 50, 11 is 55, and 12 is 60 or 1 hour. So if I say what time is it right now, it would be the red hand's the hour hand, so the hour is 10, and it is 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Now if I move the blue hand over 1, the hour is still 10 and the blue hand is on 1. And as we know, 1 is really equal to 5. If I move the hour hand to 2, if I move the minute hand to 2, the hour hand is still on 10, but the minute hand is on 10. So this is 10 o'clock and 10 minutes, or 10:10. So if I move the blue hand to 5, remember if we count by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, we've got 10, 25. And the way we would write that is 10 write it here. 10 colon 25. 10, 25. Let's erase our little makeshift clock because that clock is very bad. So, as you can see here, between the minutes, there are little dots, and these represent 1. So if you count from 60, which is also 0, to 5, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're at 5. Now, if you count from 1 to 2, which is 5 to 10, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're at 10. So if I had, let's get this hour hand straight. Okay. So my hour hand's a little messed up here. Okay. So let's do it like this because this is easier to see, I guess. So our red arrow is on the 6 or closest to the 6. Our blue arrow is on the 3. And the 3 is also what? If we count by 5s, 5, 10, 15. So the 3 is also 15. So this is 6, 15. So that's how we remember that. 6, 15. So those are the basics. We'll talk about some more in-depth telling time in our next video. Until then, guys, thank you for watching. Peace.